guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this box today. I opened it up, and inside the box is another box from BNT. BNT is a solar light company that makes security cameras and street lights that are solar powered. I've had a few of these in my reviews and they all work fantastic. If you're a local business or a shop that doesn't have a lighted storefront, or if your town doesn't have a street light that's right in front of your business, you need this. It's a security street light, floodlights for your business or your home, or if you live in a farm somewhere and you need lighting but you don't want to run wires everywhere. These are solar powered. This is the 800-watt BNT street floodlight. Let's unbox this for you. Over here we've got the rod that attaches like this. Over here we have some hardware to mount the brackets to the posts. A remote control. Here is the light itself. Very well packed. What's unique about this one, as compared to the other ones that I've reviewed, is that this is double charging. And what I mean by that is, it charges through this solar panel here, right? And on the side where the LED bulbs are, it also has another illuminated area that also has solar panels. This will charge 50% efficiency on the bottom, 100% efficiency on the top. So no matter what, a little bit of light will always illuminate this and charge it. Here's the remote control. You put a battery in here and you could program this to be from dusk till dawn, meaning that if the natural light outside goes dark, this thing will turn on all by itself and turn off in the morning when it's bright out. Also, you can program it for 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, whatever, and you can program it to be off all the time. Let's just try pushing this button to see what it looks like. There you go. Turns off because it's in the daytime, but this is just a test to see what the light looks like. Really bright, huh? So it's very easy to install. All you need to do is secure this post into here, secure it with a screw, and just use the hardware and attach this to any pole that you have. If you don't have a pole in your house, you could also use some self-tappers and screws that go in here to apply onto the side of your house. Or if you have a pole like this at home, you can attach it like this, the screws. Then you'll have unlimited bright 800 watts worth of solar lighting, LED, and light up anywhere you want without any wires or any cables. Super easy installation. This also comes in a 2-pack. You'll save a little bit of money if you buy 2. I'm gonna bring this to my friend's house who has a pool, and he wants to put some lighting to illuminate his pool at night. Okay, so I'm at my friend's house. I'm using a remote control. Like I said, you could program it to 2 hours, 4 hours, or what have you. Also, there is a intensity setting. You can lower the intensity of the light as well as increase it too, like that. Now we'll walk over to the second light here that we've installed, and we'll lower the intensity if you don't want it so bright. Just clicking the remote control to the lowest setting, and now you can lower both of them from really bright to just the right ambient temperature of the lighting that you want. The flickering is because of the shutter speed of the camera with LED lights. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys would like to try one. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
y'all, it's Kylie here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.